Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using the following resource. Skimble's platform, accessible through their website at www.skimble.com, offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to empower users on their fitness journeys. The site provides a diverse library of workout routines, catering to a wide range of fitness levels and interests. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just beginning to explore exercise, Skimble likely has something to offer. From high-intensity interval training, HIIT, to yoga and strength training, the platform boasts a varied selection of workout programs. One of Skimble's key features is its personalized workout recommendations, which are tailored to individual user profiles and fitness goals. This feature helps users discover workouts that align with their specific needs and preferences, maximizing the effectiveness of their exercise regimen. The platform also provides tools for tracking progress, allowing users to monitor their fitness journey and stay motivated. This tracking functionality offers valuable insights into individual performance, helping users identify areas for improvement and celebrate milestones achieved. Furthermore, Skimble fosters a sense of community by connecting users with like-minded individuals who share similar fitness aspirations. This social aspect can be a powerful motivator, encouraging users to stay committed to their goals and providing a platform for sharing experiences and support. Skimble also integrates with wearable technology, further enhancing its tracking capabilities and providing users with a more holistic view of their fitness data. This integration allows for a seamless and convenient way to monitor progress and adjust workout plans as needed. In conclusion, Skimble offers a robust and versatile platform for anyone looking to enhance their fitness routine.